I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Check model, serial number, and firmware, and update if it's older than 6 months. Once done, open the companion app and pair via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Make sure your phone and device are within a meter of the panel. Turn off non-essential loads briefly while you power the device for the first time. Speak to the prompts in the app. Follow the guided calibration step so the unit can measure baseline consumption accurately before you proceed to tuning. You now run calibration to teach the device your home's load signature. Allow it to observe for 20 to 30 minutes with normal usage. After calibration, enable adaptive mode and set a realistic savings target. Start with 5 to 10% or a specific watt cap. Then group appliances in the app so the device can prioritize critical circuits versus discretionary loads. Make sure to adjust sensitivity lower if devices cycle frequently, because false positives can interrupt needed. You finish by monitoring performance for 72 hours. Review daily graphs and alerts in the app to confirm expected savings. Once confident, schedule preferred operation windows and enable away or night modes to maximize efficiency. If the device sheds power to appliances incorrectly, reduce sensitivity or exclude those circuits so essentials remain online. If behavior remains erratic, reboot the unit and rerun calibration. If errors persist, collect logs from the app and contact support for guided diagnostics. This one step usually resolves complex issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.